Good morning. Another crispy cold day. It's just warming up to -1 now. It went all the way to -3 today. And today we're going to talk about a very delicate, interesting topic. Why does rabbit suddenly die? Why do rabbits, you come back, you see them in the evening, you come back in the morning and they have passed away? Why does that happen? I know it's very difficult for every rabbit farmer, every rabbit keeper, every pet owner to come back to a pet or a farm animal that has literally passed away. Very, very sad. But why does it happen? We're going to talk about that today. So please stay with us throughout. We're going to also be weighing the bunnies to check on how they are doing, which is one of the care plan. How to care for them includes weighing them and checking that they're not dropping weight or they're not putting on too much weight, because all plays a part. So let's see how we can get into it and make it interesting. So I'm going to weigh the big boys first. So this is El Chapo. I'm going to grab El Chapo, who is going to fight me a little bit, but I'm still going to grab him. El Chapo is 9 months now. All my big boys and girls are 9 months now, but before that, let me adjust this properly. So we have an accurate weight or near accurate weight. No cheating here. So we got the scale on. And this is El Chapo is a Rex, standard Rex, and therefore his weight, we will see, will not be the same as the other ones. So El Chapo is 2.8 2.8. Let me bring it forward a bit so we can see it properly. It's 2.8 kilograms. 2.8 kilograms. That's what we call El Chapo weighing. And that's not bad at all for a Rex. So I'm going to take him back to his hutch. Off you go. And now I'm going to bring in Tank. Tank is also 9 months old. Same as, maybe a week difference between him and El Chapo. And let's see how much he weighs. He's a New Zealand black Tank. So we're going to check him right now to see how much he weighs. That I got him. I need to calm him down because he's a big boy. So he doesn't like being controlled. But I managed to calm him down. Let's see his weight. Let's see how much Tank weighs. Gosh. Tank is 4 point. It's over 4 kilograms. Tank is over 4 kilograms. Can you imagine? I think 450 grams or something like that. But Tank is a big boy, a massive boy. He's a New Zealand black, and have a good view of Tank there. He's a big boy. So let's put Tank back. Oh, he's not happy. Doesn't like being touched too much. So we got Tank. I'm gonna weigh the girls. Let's turn our attention to the girls. I'm gonna go and weigh for the girls. They are 3 months today, so 12 weeks, exactly 12 weeks today. So I'm gonna go with May first. Come here, May. They always try to resist being taken. So May is only 12 weeks old today. Let's check how much she weighs. Oh my goodness. Almost 2.2 kg. And she's only 12 weeks. 2.2 kg, 12 weeks old. Which we call in the calendar month, we will call it 3 months. 2.2 kg. That's her. Gone. So let's bring Belle here. Let's check Belle. Let's check Belle. We're going to check Belle. Belle is they are very, very active young lads. Belle is 2 kg, so not far behind, well, a little bit farther behind May. That is, I think it's 2 kg Belle. So May and Belle are the ladies that we are keeping in our ranch. They'll be bred at some point. Not in a hurry, but we're keeping them. They're not being sold. So let's go to the other 2 ladies who are here. Bear with me. So they look similar to May and Belle, but these 2 will be sold at some point. Well, any time from now. If you're watching and you're interested, get in touch. And the other 2, this one here is 1.7 kg, even though they are the same age as May and Belle. You can see where selecting which ones you're using for breeding comes into effect. 1.7, they are the same breeds, the same age, but you see the weight difference. That tells you something. I hope you're checking it out. You're learning something from here. And this is the other one. This one here is bigger. Yes, she's bigger. So she is 1.8, 1.9 kg. Let's call it 1.9 kg. Also, same age as the 2 above, as May and Belle, but you can see the reason why I'm keeping May and Belle, because they are bigger, and if you are in a farm environment, then size really matters to you. It's not the only thing that matters, but it plays a big part in you selecting your breeds. Now let's go to the boys. Let's check the boys as well. I'm gonna grab them one at a time. The boys, first black one, we have 1.5. So the boys are not growing very quicker for some reason. It could be because it's more of them in the same hatch. So let me drop him out. You come here. This one feels a bit heavier. Let's see. Another 1.7 kg. Let's check this one. Also 1.7 kg. Almost a universal weight. The last black one. This is smaller, not even 1.5. Let's check the last one, the agouti. Yeah. See his weight. And he is also close, it's 1.6, he is 1.6 kg. So we got their weight, the boys. We now know the boys' weight. I wanted to check Beverly's weight. Let's see how best. Wish me luck, because she's gonna probably fight with me, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Today is a universal weight checking. My goodness, Beverly is breastfeeding. She is very heavy. Oh, calm down, Bev. Calm down. Sorry. It's alright, calm yourself down. Calm down. It's okay, it's okay. Calm down. Calm down. Beverly is gonna break the scale. Right, let's see what weights we are looking at. I need to calm her down first. Calm down, Bev. So Beverly, we're looking at 4.4 kg. 4.4 kg. That's Beverly for you. That's how much she weighs, and she's not happy